Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by ensuring the essentials are in place: battery charge and a stable network. Once done, pause any active downloads and tap the stuck app to attempt a manual restart. This often nudges the process. Make sure to force close the App Store, swipe it away, and then restart the iPhone. A fresh system state resolves many temporary stalls. You're acting to remove simple blockers before deeper fixes, saving time if the issue is just a transient glitch. Now focus on resources and account state because downloads need space and credentials. Open iPhone storage and look for anything hogging space. Delete or offload large apps to free room, since insufficient storage will leave apps waiting. If space isn't the problem, sign out of your Apple ID in Settings and sign back in to reset the App Store handshake. Once done, retry the download. These steps address both storage bottlenecks and account-level download authorization issues. Finish by clearing any remaining network or system problems. Toggle airplane mode on and off to refresh connectivity. If that fails, reset network settings to clear corrupted profiles. Make sure iOS is up to date because system bugs can cause waiting states. Update and then reinstall the app if required. If the app still hangs, perform a hard reset, and as a key troubleshooting tip, contact Apple support. Provide crash logs or screen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.